Why add chia seeds to your diet?
Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals. Including chia seeds in your daily routine may support better digestion and help you feel more satisfied after meals. Their mild, nutty flavor makes them a versatile ingredient, suitable for breakfast, snacks, and even baked goods. Let's explore easy and practical ways to enjoy chia seeds every day.
Simple ways to use chia seeds.
It's easy to add chia seeds to your favorite foods. Sprinkle a tablespoon onto oatmeal, cereal, or yogurt for a nutrition boost. They blend well into smoothies or shakes, adding thickness and nutrients without altering the flavor. You can also mix chia seeds into salad dressings, soups, or even stir them into homemade energy bars.
Chia pudding, a quick breakfast.
Make a creamy chia pudding by stirring 3 tablespoons of chia seeds into 1 cup of milk. Dairy or plant-based. Add a little honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. By morning, you'll have a tasty, filling breakfast you can top with fruit, nuts, or coconut flakes.
Baking and cooking with chia.
Chia seeds can replace eggs in many recipes. To make a chia egg, mix 1 tablespoon chia seeds with 3 tablespoons water and let it gel for 10 minutes. Use this in pancakes, muffins, or cookies as a plant-based binding agent. You can also add chia seeds directly to bread dough, batters, or trail mix.
Digestive benefits and tips.
Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which supports healthy digestion and regularity. To avoid stomach discomfort, start with small amounts and drink plenty of water, as chia seeds absorb liquid and expand. Gradually increase your intake over a week. Enjoy experimenting with new recipes and notice how these tiny seeds can boost your daily nutrition.